guys, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. Just check it. If everything is fine, we can immediately start the discussion. Discussion is going to be around the current affairs of 18th to 20th of January 2025. So we reached up to 20th of January also, right? 20 जनवरी हो गया, 20 दिन निकल चुके हैं आपके 2025 के, and slowly Jan is going to be over, and you will realize, oh, we are near to our SBI clerk pre-examination, and then SBI clerk means examination, then SBI PO examination, then RRB. So it is going to be like this only. The days is going to be like this only. So they are not going to wait for you. You need to start and keep your preparation on your pace properly. Remember that. Daily morning you need to realize and analyze that, okay, this is going to be my task for the day, and today I need to complete it anyhow, because I need to achieve my goals in the year 2025, right? Whatever your goals are. चलिए start कर लेते हैं discussion को. All good, right? ठीक है, फिर start कर लेते हैं discussion को. Discussion is around the current affairs of 18 to 20th of January. देखते हैं क्या क्या है आज के important news highlights. Shriram Life Insurance launches, life insurance company or Shriram Group launches Sunishchit Labh saving plan. So one new saving scheme launched by Shriram Life Insurance. Name is important. Directly in the examination you may get the question based on name. Remaining all the details I am giving you within the session in depth. Another news from the Shriram Group. Shriram Housing Finance, one of the very famous housing finance company in India, is going to get rebranded. Its name is going to get changed. Its new name will be True Home Finance. If you have observed in the previous examinations also, this rebranding, renaming of companies, merger of one NBFC in one small finance bank like Slice recently got merged with which small finance bank in India? That type of question we have seen in the previous examination. So it is going to be another important question, that Shriram Housing Finance rebranded to which of the following? What is the new name of that company? Correct answer is going to be True Home Finance. What is the reason? That I'll let you know in depth in detail. Singapore and Odisha. So Odisha is state of India and Singapore have signed MOU to launch fintech hub in Bhubaneswar. Great initiative by the Chief Minister of Odisha. So fintech hub will be started in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. It is going to increase the job as well as the investment opportunities within the state Odisha. PNB MetLife join hand with Saraswat Bank for the financial inclusion purpose. What is the meaning of financial inclusion? Providing the banking facility, insurance services to each and everyone in India is called financial inclusion. Examples are Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Suraksha Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, small finance banks in India, payment bank, all these are the initiatives under financial inclusion in India. So PNB MetLife join hand with Saraswat Bank for the financial inclusion. यहाँ तक ठीक है? नीलेश बोल रहा है, हेलो सर, आपके असल बैच में मुझे दूसरे टॉपिक में करंट अफेयर्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं. आपने बोला था वाईटी में बस बैंकिंग फाइनेंस न्यूज डिस्कस होंगे, बाकी हसल में सब है. नीलेश आप ओपन करो, मंथ वाइज ओपन करो, नेशनल न्यूज है, इंटरनेशनल न्यूज है, अवार्ड्स है, टॉपिक वाइज है. किसी भी स्टूडेंट के साथ कनेक्ट कर लो जो असल बैच का है, और कनेक्ट विथ मी, दे विल लेट यू नो. सारे क्लासेस हैं वन बाय वन. ठीक है, आई डोंट नो आपने कहां पर देखा. मैं दिखा दूंगा अभी विद इन सेशन ही दिखा दूंगा, अदरवाइज दैट विल बी अ कंफ्यूजन फॉर अदर स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो. मैं एक बार शो कर दूंगा, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है, अभी कर दूंगा शो. कहां रहे थे नीलेश भाई? ये देखो, ये रहा असल बैच. ओपन कर लो, मैं 1 सेकंड लगेगा, आई जस्ट शो यू. ये करंट अफेयर्स आ गया आपका बाय डिफॉल्ट. ये आज के क्लासेस शो कर रहे हैं. दिसंबर 2024 आरबीआई सर्कुलर मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी अपडेट, दिसंबर 2024 आरबीआई सर्कुलर, आरबीआई न्यूज. ये आज के क्लासेस है. ठीक है, सुबह 10 बजे 12 बजे. तो ये आज के लेक्चर्स हैं आपके हसल बैच में. ये अपकमिंग क्लासेस यहाँ से शो करेंगे आपको. दिसंबर के क्लासेस हैं. फिर बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल न्यूज पार्ट 2, अपॉइंटमेंट कमेटीज, तो अपॉइंटमेंट टॉपिक हो गया, अपॉइंटमेंट एमसीक्यूज, इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम्स ऑफ दिसंबर, देन नेशनल न्यूज पार्ट 1 दिसंबर, नेशनल न्यूज पार्ट 2 दिसंबर, स्टेट इन न्यूज, then after that international news and award, other important news, then after that January, then after that February, like this you will be able to see the upcoming classes. यहाँ पर click कर दो, the classes which are already completed recorded वाले पर click कर दो, so you will be able to see September, then October, then November. मैं आपको नवंबर के classes show कर देता हूँ immediately, ठीक है, नीचे आ जाओ, नवंबर के classes हैं. So in the November classes, the classes which you are able to see from here, day 43. November RBI circular, RBI news part 1, part 2, then SEBI banking and financial news, बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल न्यूज पार्ट 4, तो सारे हमने कवर किए बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल न्यूज तक. बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल न्यूज एमसीक्यू सेपरेट सेशन है, ठीक है, क्लिक करोगे पीडीएफ विल बी डाउनलोडेड. इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम, नेशनल न्यूज, स्टेट इन न्यूज, नेशनल न्यूज एमसीक्यूज, इंटरनेशनल न्यूज एंड अवार्ड, अदर इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज, अपॉइंटमेंट कंप्लीट, पूरा टॉपिक है, ठीक है. क्लियर है नीलेश? अब मिल जाएगा, अब कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं होगी. चलो वापस आओ टॉपिक पर. पंजाब नेशनल बैंक अपॉइंटेड न्यू मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एंड सीईओ. सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ न्यू एमडी एंड सीईओ पंजाब नेशनल बैंक? आंसर बताइएगा आप. इंडियन बैंक अपॉइंटेड मिस्टर विनोद कुमार एज द न्यू मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एंड सीईओ. तो इन्होंने चार्ज ले लिया, पीएनबी न्यू एमडी सीईओ, इंडियन बैंक न्यू एमडी एंड सीईओ. दे हैव टेकन चार्ज. आगे आ जाइए. विनीत जोशी टेकन चार्ज एज द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन. सो विनीत जोशी जी जो है, इन्होंने चार्ज लिया है एज अ सेक्रेटरी ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन. सो बिफोर एसबीआई क्लर्क मींस there is going to be a long list of the secretaries which we need to cover in depth, in detail, right? Why? Definitely there will be one or two questions based on the appointment of the secretaries in India. Now ISRO is there in news regarding 2 to 3 different topics. 1. India became the 4th nation to achieve the space docking with indigenous system. What is the meaning of docking in space? That I'll explain you. Then India became the 4th nation in the world to have their own technology of docking in the space. That is achieved by ISRO. तो ISRO का एक न्यूज हो गया आपका कि इंडिया को ISRO ने 4th नेशन बना दिया है in the world to have the docking, space docking facility. After that, new launch pad of ISRO will be coming at Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. So what is going to be the name of that new launch pad, when it will be completed, whatever the important details which we should cover, that we will see within session. Another news from ISRO. First black-eyed pea sprout in the space by ISRO. So ISRO was doing the experiment or working over the cultivation of the sprouts in the space. What is the objective behind it and how it has been done by the ISRO, तो उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. तो ये आपके पास न्यूज हो गया रिगार्डिंग ISRO, ठीक है. यहाँ तक क्लियर है. यूएस, चाइना, रशिया 3 है, इंडिया 4th नेशन हो गया. बढ़िया. अशोक चंद्रा सर है, ये भी ठीक है. क्लियर है यहाँ तक? आगे आ जाइए. महाकुंभ 2025. देखिए कल सब लोगों ने न्यूज देखा होगा that there was a fire incident in Kumbh. Have you guys have seen that news? Yes or no में आंसर करो. कोई भी न्यूज चैनल आप ओपन करके देखते तो कल एक न्यूज मिलता आपको कि कुंभ मेले में क्या हो गया, आग लग गई है. सीएम योगी आदित्यनाथ have visited, DIG, SP, everyone was there and it was and incidents means that the control over the fire was actually very good. They have done very responsive. The whole team was very responsive and none of the life was missed. So that was a great thing by the state government or by the overall administration, Mela administration, right? सबने वो न्यूज सुना, but in the examination that news will not come. अभी क्या होता है इंटरव्यूज में भी, जो the people those who are from उत्तर प्रदेश, जो यूपी से हैं, उनसे कई बार पूछ लिया जाता है, so what are the updates regarding Mela? If you are going for IBPSP interview, you are going for UBI LBU interview, तो बोल देते कुंभ मेला related few updates, can you tell us? तो लोगों के दिमाग में सबसे पहले आता सर वो मेले में अभी आग लगी थी. That is not at all relevant during the interview. मेले में आग लगा था, right? Is it relevant for the interview? नहीं है relevant भाई. You need to pick few news like Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath have launched a separate FM channel for the Mela. After that, the Mela overall campus have been recognized as a separate district in Uttar Pradesh. right? Such type of news you need to cover. ऐसे वाले news cover करने हैं. BOB have launched the mobile ATM facility in Mela. These news may come in written also as well as for your interview. They are important. आग लग गया है will not be a news for written as well as for interview. That is okay for the update. Update रहने के लिए ठीक है. So Maha Kumbh 2025 one plate one bag campaign have been launched. What is the meaning of this campaign? तो इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Mahakumbh 2025 world first Mahamrityunjay yantra have been installed in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. These are the category of news which you need to cover in depth for your return as well as for your upcoming interviews if you are from Uttar Pradesh. अगर यूपी से हैं तो उत्तर प्रदेश के, अगर आप यूपी में कहीं से भी हैं तो आपको इंटरव्यूज के लिए भी कुंभ कवर करना पड़ेगा. इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है. चलिए, वेलकम टू गाइडली गाइस. पीडीएफ विल बी अवेलेबल इन दिस टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. यू कैन गेट द पीडीएफ फ्रॉम हियर. Bundle PDF course 2025 is live. You can check the details. I would definitely recommend you people to go for it for the proper practice. UBI LBO interview batch is live with 2 mock interviews. Online classes are going well. आज भी आपके सेशंस हैं. जो RBI circular के मैं क्लासेस ले रहा हूँ आज इसमें भी होंगे. Reason being RBI circular and the December MPC of RBI is important for the interview as well. Similarly, IBPS PO personalized interview batch with 3 mock interview live. Classes are going in a pace. हम बढ़िया regularly classes कर रहे हैं. Result will come. We will be free from the sessions and then we will focus only on practice. कि practice करो, doubt clear करो, बस इस पर focus करेंगे after the result. So you can join the batch today itself without any hesitation. होमवर्क के क्वेश्चन थे. डेट इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच आर नॉट सिक्योर्ड बाय एनी एसेट और कोलेट्रल इज नोन एज व्हाट? आंसर इज डिबेंचर. So the difference between bond and debenture, both are debt instrument. Both are the instrument by which companies can raise money from market in the form of loan. That is why it is called debt instrument. Bond is secure, that is backed by a collateral. Debenture is risky, that does not have any collateral. So bond आपका secure होता है, debenture risky होता है. Debenture carry higher rate of interest compared to bond. Which bonds are called deep discounted bonds? So there is a bond where rate of interest is zero. एक ऐसा बॉन्ड होता है जिसमें रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होता है जीरो, उसको बोलते हैं जीरो कूपन बॉन्ड और डीप डिस्काउंटेड बॉन्ड. सो इन द जीरो कूपन बॉन्ड, इफ द बॉन्ड प्राइस इज 5 लाख रुपी, I am going to buy it at around 4.7 lakh rupee. 30,000 rupee का डिस्काउंट मिल गया. This discount is going to be the profit for me in future. So I am buying at 4.7 and I will return the bond at 5 lakh rupee. So whatever the discount given over the bond become the profit for the investor, but rate of interest is zero. So such bond is called deep discount bond, also known as zero coupon bond. Which municipal corporation in India issues the first municipal bond? Correct answer is municipal green bond, actually, not municipal bond, municipal green bond. Correct answer is Ghaziabad. Although first municipal bond in India was issued by Bangalore. Bangalore ने पहला municipal bond इंडिया में इशू किया था 1997 में. And Ghaziabad issues the first municipal green bond in India. Now TNA heroes are, इनके नाम देख लेते हैं फटाफट से. Those who are giving the response of homework question regularly. So our TNA heroes: Vinay, Sandeep, Riya, Akhil, Nilesh, Amit, Divya, Sai, Bunny. After that, Devashmita, Rachna, Harsha, Rayo, Shri, Suresh, Rahul, Priyanka, Vasu, Ajit, Sarita ji. Then Sai. Very good, guys. Siddharth, Netra, then Swaroop Raja. Okay. Moni, Simran, Isha, Sivani, Jeev Lakshmi, and Surya. Thank you, guys. Thank you for answer. Let's see the question for tomorrow. October 2024 monetary policy is still important because there are few major updates which became banking awareness now, not current affairs. So there are news which converted into banking awareness. You need to realize that, sir, October month current affairs came in the month of June 2025. It will come. Why? Few current affairs news converted into banking awareness. They will always be important. Why? They are part of banking awareness, not the current affairs. So as per the Monetary Policy Committee October 2024, which of the following is not appointed as a new member of MPC? MPC का नया member कौन appoint नहीं हुआ है? Why? These members are mostly going to continue for next 4 years now. You should remember the name of all 6 members. As per the Monetary Policy Committee October 2024, UPI 123 pay per transaction limit have increased. Now it is a banking awareness. It is not anymore a current affairs. अब ये current affairs नहीं है, banking है, banking awareness है. You should keep yourself updated regarding these limits. As per the Monetary Policy October 2024, UPI Lite per transaction and wallet limit have been increased to which of the following? तो ये क्वेश्चन हो गया आपके होमवर्क के, आराम से आंसर लगाना आप कमेंट बॉक्स में. आई एम कंप्लीटिंग द न्यूज ऑफ द डे नाउ. मैं आज के न्यूज कंप्लीट करवा देता हूं आज आप लोगों के लिए, ठीक है. न्यूज नंबर 1, श्रीराम फाइनेंस लॉन्चेस सुनिश्चित लाभ saving plan. So insurance company do launch the investment plan which are linked with the insurance policies, right? Shriram Finance launched similar type of product called Sunishchit. Sunishchit means assured, confirmed. That is what the meaning of Sunishchit in English. Assured, confirmed. Labh means profit. So assured profit or confirmed profit. That is what the meaning of Sunishchit Labh. Now you need to remember this word for the examination. Why? In the examination they may ask you, Sunishchit Labh is a scheme of investment linked with the insurance launched by which of the following insurance company? Answer is going to be Shriram Life Insurance. Sunishchit Labh, a non-participating individual saving plan. Non-participating का meaning होता है, it is not, this scheme will not be linked with the market fluctuation. It is not going to be linked with any type of equity investment. It is not going to be linked with any type of debenture investment, which are risky investment. It is not going to be linked with that. So non-participating individual saving plan that promises guaranteed return up to 668% of total premium paid, designated for the individual aged 30 days to 60 years. Such type of question may come in the examination sometime. So kid of 30 day to the citizen up to 60 years. So it is not for senior citizen. याद रखना है, senior citizens के लिए नहीं है. Annual premium of 30,000 rupee with the flexible payment of 15,500 half yearly or 8,000 quarterly or 3,000 monthly. So any such plan you can take it. So it is a type of maturity plan where you can design your retirement fund. एक तरीके से आपके लिए retirement fund है. The plan feature tax maturity income payout up to 40 years with the maximum age cap of 101 year. मतलब आप चाहो तो 60 में ले लो. You can take at 60 years. At 101 year, the day you will become 101 year, from that day they will start making you payment. So you can take it up to the age group of 101 year. आपको लग रहा है that I am going to break the record of world oldest person who died few days before. So I am going to break the record. I want a policy where I am expecting return only after completion of 100 year. मेरे 100 पूरे हो जाएंगे फिर मुझे रिटर्न चाहिए. So it is giving you that option also. Although this is not going to come in exam. That age group is important. Age group is how much? 30 days to 60 years. वो important है. Minimum yearly investment is 30,000 rupee. Yearly investment जो है आपका वो 30,000 rupee का investment है. So this is the policy that is launched by Shriram Life Insurance. निश्चित, क्या नाम है उसका? निश्चित लाभ, right? निश्चित लाभ is the name of the policy. Second one, Shriram Housing Finance rebrand itself as a true home finance. जैसे आपकी हो जाती है rebranding. अभी लोग पूछते हैं what's your name? What's your name? So आप branding करते हो, sir actually my name is Joy, sir my name is Lavi Chauhan, and one day you become rebrand. Yeah, if someone is introducing you, ऐसा होता है ना, someone is introducing you. Okay, so who is he? Who is she? So your friends, your family members will introduce you like this. He's my son. He's my daughter. His name is this. Her name is this. And then your parents also started introducing you in such a way. He is my son. Name they will tell later, and they will say he's a RRB PO. She's a SBI PO, and then they will tell the name. Rebranding of yours. The day you achieve that particular goal, you get rebranded, right? So similar to that, Shriram Housing Finance rebranding have been done. Now the new name is going to be the True Home Finance. इनका नया नाम होने जा रहा है True Home Finance. So True Home Finance have done the acquisition of Shriram Housing Finance and rebranding itself in the True Home Finance, making a big shift in the corporate identity and strategic direction. Transformation followed by Warburg Pincus and co-investors including Qatar Sovereign Wealth Fund acquisition. So this Warburg Pincus have acquired Shriram Finance actually. इन्होंने क्या कर लिया? Acquisition कर लिया, acquire कर लिया Shriram Finance को, and after the acquisition, the new name of the company is going to be the True Home Finance. So 99% in the examination, the simple question is going to be, which of the following company got rebranded as True Home? Or recently the Shriram Housing Finance got rebranded at which of the following name? तो आपको पहले लाइन से ही क्वेश्चन यहां पर बन जाएगा. आई होप द स्टेटमेंट इज क्लियर. अच्छा, एक पॉइंट हो सकता है, if they want to raise the question little bit in depth, in that case they can ask the investment that the investment of the company is 1225 crore rupee. 1225 crore rupee is the investment made by Warburg Pincus in the Shriram Finance. कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है श्रीराम फाइनेंस में वारबर्ग ने? सो करेक्ट आंसर है 1125 करोड़ रुपए इन्वेस्टमेंट मेड बाय द कंपनी. न्यूज इज क्लियर? यस और नो में आंसर कर देना. अच्छा, हु वांटेड टू गेट रीब्रांडेड क्विकली इन 2025? हु वांटेड? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर एक्चुअली लुकिंग फॉर रीब्रांडिंग ऑफ योरसेल्फ? That from a aspirant you want to rebrand yourself, that you can tell your name, my name is Aditya and I am a SBI PO. I will not be, just I am giving example. So that rebranding, how many of you are actually looking for that rebranding in the year 2025? Confidently raise your hand. Confidently. Yeah. Very good. SBI PO winner. Very good. एक confidence रखो. It give you positivity. राइट. चलिए आगे मूव करें. सो इंडिया टू ग्रो बाय 6.4% इन द FY 2025. अभी भी कम ही लोग हैं. आई वॉज थिंकिंग एवरीवन विल राइट एटलीस्ट मी. लिखने में कुछ नहीं जा रहा है अभी. कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, पॉजिटिविटी अट्रैक्ट करोगे. हाँ, परफेक्ट, वेरी गुड. So India to grow by 6.4% in FY 2025 according to FICCI, Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry forecasted India's GDP for growth rate at 4% for the financial year 2024-25. Imagine only 4% for the current financial year and 6.4% for the next financial year. इस साल का सिर्फ 4% prediction दिया है FICCI ने. I think lowest among all predictions which other organizations have given for the current financial year. So FICCI projected 4% GDP rate for the current financial year and 6.4% for the next financial year. देखो क्या prediction आया. Previously 7% था. Now from 7% came down to 4% for the current financial year. Difficult situation है भैया इकोनॉमी का, बहुत difficult situation इकोनॉमी का. So here you have the updated GDP list for the FY 25. Don't worry about this list for now or at the current situation. You need not to worry. Before your examination, like you will be there for your SBI clerk means, around 4 to 5 days before I'll give you complete list. Within TNA, within the special sessions which we will be doing, and on your Telegram groups also, in your hustle batch also, everywhere I'll share this group. Okay? Everywhere, not group, I'll share the list, updated list. So that list you need to follow for your SBI clerk exam or for UCO Bank LBO examination. How many of you are planning to fill the form of UCO Bank LBO? Just tell me. I'm planning to make a video over the complete LBO information. We should apply or not apply, or how's the opportunity is. So if you're confused, maybe that will help you. That video will help you to understand that, okay, what is LBO, we should apply or not, who should apply, should we apply from other state or not. तो वो सारी चीजें उस वीडियो में होगा. ठीक है. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ आज बताने का आपको वो वीडियो के फॉर्म में, बट दोज हु मेड देयर माइंड लेट मी नो इन द चैट बॉक्स कि हाँ भाई सर आई हैव कंफर्म्ड आई एम गोइंग टू फिल द फॉर्म, तो वो जरूर बताइएगा, ठीक है। उड़ीसा एंड सिंगापुर साइंड एमओयू। द रीजन बिहाइंड एमओयू इज fintech hub in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. So fintech sector, to boost the fintech sector, government of Odisha and IT department have done the MOU with the Singapore Global Finance Technology Network. Like we have Gift City in Gujarat. Everyone heard the name of the Gift City in Gujarat, correct? Similar type of market is there in the Singapore. That is called Global Finance Technology Network. These two, state government of Odisha with the Global Finance Technology Network of Singapore, they will collaborate together to provide one environment in place within Bhubaneswar, Odisha for the growth of fintech companies, financial tech companies which are working in the field of finance with the support of technology. Examples: Phone Pay, Google Pay, Cred, after that Policy Bazaar. All these companies are the fintech companies in India. सब fintech के examples हैं, ठीक है। To establish the global competency center in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Bhubaneswar, Odisha में बनाएंगे. The collaboration aim to increase the insurance stack. Why? The target of IRDAI is insurance for all 2047. Currently, insurance is a market which is actually having very high potential. बहुत high potential insurance market में, extremely high potential. So now there will be a shift from banking to insurance, and with the time you will be able to observe more recruitment also in the insurance sector compared to bank. Not now, but slowly, with a gap of 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, you will be able to see year by year. At that time you will be already working in bank, but you will observe, okay, now what is more recruitment started coming to insurance. So insurance for all is the target of IRDAI. Bima Trinity launched by IRDAI for that purpose. Another initiative I've taken by the Odisha government. Odisha government will set up a complete fintech hub in Bhubaneswar, Odisha with the support of Singapore. Singapore के support से इसको setup किया जाएगा, ठीक है। Chief Minister Mohan Charan Maji have launched it, and as Mohanty, CEO designate of CFTN Singapore, तो इनके बीच में ये collaboration हुआ भी recently, ठीक है। यहाँ तक point clear है। अच्छा, few people have confirmed they are applying, या no vacancies are there in West Bengal, correct है। जहां vacancies नहीं है परेशान मत हो, focus on SBA clerk examination, don't get confused that I should apply from this state, that state. Don't do that, don't waste your time. Simply focus on SBA clerk means examination if the vacancy is not there in your state and there is a language barrier. That is what all these points I'll clear today in the video. Watch that video, you will get a clear idea you should apply or not. PNB MetLife join hand with Saraswat Bank for the financial inclusion. So PNB MetLife 15th of January 2025 done the collaboration. PNB MetLife Insurance Company have done the collaboration with Saraswat Cooperative Bank. What is the objective? One, insurance company have done the collaboration with a bank. This collaboration is called Bancassurance Pact. इस collaboration को कहा जाता है Bancassurance, where bank is going to help insurance company to sell the insurance policy, and against that company need to pay certain commission on each policy to bank. तो कंपनी बैंक को क्या बोल रही है, भैया आपके पास ब्रांचेस हैं, sell my insurance policy. Bank will say, okay, we'll sell. We will ask our employee to pitch the product of this particular insurance policy company. What company need to do? Company need to pay certain commission to the bank to the sale of insurance policy. This agreement is called Bancassurance Pact. So recently PNB MetLife have done the Bancassurance Pact with the Saraswat Cooperative Bank. ठीक है. So across 302 branches of Saraswat, now PNB MetLife insurance policies will be available. Sameer Bansal is the managing director and CEO of PNB MetLife, and Aarti Patil ma'am is the managing director and CEO of Saraswat Cooperative Bank. This partnership has been done, or this agreement have been signed between the CEO of both the companies. दोनों companies के CEO के बीच में sign हुआ है, ठीक है। Point clear है? चलो सही है, आगे मूव करते हैं। Amazon to acquire based, not Bangalore acquire नहीं कर रहा है Amazon, as Amazon to plan to acquire Bangalore based digital lending firm Axio. So Axio is a digital lending firm which is offering the digital loan facility. It is a similar type of company like we have different type of company, Credit B and Credit Car. So different type of companies are there which will be able to offer you the lending facility digitally. By the application only you can apply, and by the app only you can take the loan, like early salary and different applications are there. One of the companies called Axio. Axio is a uh, uh, Axio is a digital lending company. This company is offering most of the buy now pay later option. वही जो छोटे छोटे लोन होते हैं and higher rate of interest, that you need to use 30,000 rupees today, okay, pay next month, but next month this much rate of interest will be applicable. You don't understand, they will say 1% rate of interest will be applicable. So that is 1% actually monthly, so 12% yearly. Even sometimes they say it is 1.5% rate of interest only you need to pay, 1.5% monthly. So just imagine how much rate of interest you need to pay. Around 18% rate of interest you need to pay on a yearly basis. Means for 1 month only your rate of interest is going to be very high. So such type of fintech companies, I'm not talking only about Axio, such type of fintech companies are there in India which are charging higher rate of interest on this buy now pay later option. So costing around 190 to 200 million dollar, Amazon is going to acquire Bangalore based company called Axio. Axio will be regulatory. Axio have filed the application with the Reserve Bank of India to change the control to Amazon and waiting for the approval. Once RBI approve it, only after that this acquisition will be conducted. Axio has asset under management of approximately 2,200 crore rupee. 2,200 crore rupee का loans market में दे रखा है. This much amount of loans they have given in the market, and 3% is the gross NPA of the company. Company का gross NPA 3%. This is the 9th company which is going to be acquired by Amazon from the year 2016. 2016 से अब तक ये 9वीं कंपनी होगी जो Amazon क्या करने जा रहा है, एक्वायर करने जा रहा है, एक्विजिशन करने जा रहा है. यहां तक क्लियर है न्यूज. नेम ऑफ कंपनी इज Axio. ठीक है, बेंगलुरु बेस्ड कंपनी है. वर्क इज प्रोवाइडिंग द लेंडिंग फैसिलिटी, ऑनलाइन लोन ऑनलाइन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. 2,200 करोड़ रुपीज द लोन एंड अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3% का इनका क्या चल रहा है, एनपीए. ठीक है, आगे आ जाओ. अपॉइंटमेंट न्यूज है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज दे आर आल्सो रिलेटेड टू द बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री. Punjab National Bank new managing director and CEO have been appointed. The name is not new for us. If you are watching the daily current affairs with me regularly from the last 15 days or 1 month also, the name is not going to be new for you. Why? Every time whenever we discuss the news regarding PNB, every time I have told you the new name, that Mr. Ashok Chandra is going to take the charge as the new CEO of Punjab National Bank. So now Mr. Ashok Chandra sir have taken charge. But sometime in the examination you may get the question, before joining Punjab National Bank as the CEO, Mr. Ashok Chandra was serving on which of the following position? So before joining PNB on the position of MD and CEO, Ashok Chandra sir was the executive director of Canara Bank. तो ये कैनरा बैंक के एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर की पोजीशन पर थे. नाउ ही इज होल्डिंग द पोजीशन ऑफ एमडी एंड सीईओ ऑफ पंजाब नेशनल बैंक, एंड he will be taking charge in place of Mr. Atul Kumar Goyal. AK Goyal sir की जगह पर चार्ज लेंगे. Remember, in the Indian Bank Association also change is going to be done. Why? AK Goyal sir was holding prominent role in the Indian Bank Association. So that update will also come within a day or 2 days. एक दो दिन में वो वाला अपडेट भी आ जाएगा आपका. ठीक है. So Ashok Chandra sir is the CEO. KG Anant Krishnan sir is the MD, is the chairperson of the organization. Punjab National Bank founded in the year 1894. New Delhi is the headquarter. New Delhi headquarter है. Safety ring facility, after that safety ring facility launch किया था. Steel Authority of India Limited have done the collaboration with PNB, under which PNB started offering the lending facility to the employees of Steel Authority. Punjab National Bank conducted the first cyber security hackathon 2025 with the theme code against malware. So all these are the points regarding Punjab National Bank. You can get it from the PDF. PDF will be available on the Telegram group called GA Genius. Another important news, Indian Bank appointed Managing Director and CEO Mr. Vinod Kumar ji. Vinod Kumar sir was previously working with the Punjab, means he have joined Punjab National Bank as a management trainee in the year 1994. As a bank PO join किया था PNB 1994 में, and today managing director and CEO of Indian Bank. See the growth in the banking industry. You are even not imagining at present that it is a possibility that I am joining in 2024 and there is a possibility I may become the CEO of a company. Yes, but you need to work continuously. If you are joining on the position of bank PO and simply doing banking, you will not grow. You need to clear the internal examination, JIB exam, CIB examination, other certification courses which are there in the banking industry. When you will do that, when you will create the specialization in a particular category, will have experience in that particular category for few years, then there will be a chances on the position of executive director, managing director, then CEO you may reach. But learning should not stop. आपकी learnings नहीं रुकनी चाहिए. If that will stop, you will grow, but up to manager, maximum senior manager, this type of position you will achieve till your retirement. But अगर अगर रेगुलरली आप पढ़ोगे, रेगुलरली आप अपडेट रखोगे, सर्टिफिकेशंस करते रहोगे, you will definitely can reach this position. So Mr. Vinod Kumar sir, Indian Bank appointed Mr. Vinod Kumar as the new CEO of Indian Bank, and previously he was working as Punjab National Bank and reached up to the position of executive director. So within PNB he reached up to the position of executive director, now appointed in the Indian Bank on the position of MD and CEO. Replace किया है किसको? Shantilal Jain sir को. Shantilal Jain sir tenure was for 3 years and extended for 5 years. Indian Bank related points and that you can get it from the PDF. One more appointment, Mr. Arun Mishra sir appointed as the new ombudsman, means Lokpal of BCCI. So new Lokpal of BCCI have been appointed. Name is Mr. Arun Mishra. Justice Arun Mishra, former Supreme Court judge, appointed as the Ombudsman and Ethics Officer of Board of Control for Cricket in India. And few days before we read about the name, former first class cricketer Devajit Shakya appointed as the new secretary of BCCI in place of Mr. Jai Shah, another very awesome cricket player of first class cricket, right? तो जय शाह सर को रिप्लेस किसने किया? देवजीत साक्या ने. देवजीत साक्या हु इज फॉर्मर फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेटर. ठीक है, तो इन्होंने रिप्लेस किया जय शाह को. जय शाह बिकेम द आईसीसी चेयरमैन, इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट काउंसिल चेयरपर्सन बन गया मिस्टर जय शाह. ठीक है, बहुत शानदार प्लेयर हैं क्रिकेट के. क्रिकेट कभी नहीं खेला बट प्लेयर अच्छे हैं. आफ्टर दैट परब तेज सिंह भाटिया इलेक्टेड एज द ट्रेजरर ऑफ बीसीसीआई. तो बीसीसीआई के ट्रेजरर जो इलेक्ट हुए थे वो थे मिस्टर परबदेव सिंह भाटिया. सो ट्रेजरर, सेक्रेटरी एंड नाउ द ओम्बुड्समैन ऑफ बीसीसीआई. 3 नेम्स यू हैव रिगार्डिंग बीसीसीआई. 3 नाम हो गए आप लोगों के पास बीसीसीआई के. क्लियर है? आगे आ जाइए. विनीत जोशी हैव टेकन चार्ज एज द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन. सेक्रेटरी ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन. Should we join a state cooperative bank? We crack the examination or prepare for other bank. If you have already appointed in the state cooperative bank, I'll suggest you to join it. Experience will be helpful for you because whenever you will go for any interview for IBPS PO, SBI PO or LBU, any interview, the knowledge of a state cooperative bank, the work experience will be helpful. But manage the timing that you will be able to study parallelly. तो अगर जॉब मिल गया है तो ज्वाइन करो, उसको छोड़ो मत. विनीत जोशी हैव टेकन चार्ज एज द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन recently. So with the vast experience, he have worked on the position of Director General of National Testing Agency, that is NTA, and the chairperson of CBSE. Mr. Vineet Joshi now have taken charge as the Education Secretary of India, Secretary of Higher Education in India. तो ये आपके पास हो गया अपॉइंटमेंट. आते हैं नेशनल इंटरनेशनल स्टडी न्यूज. आई हैव टोल्ड यू there are 3 news from ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. We have 3 news. News number 1, India became 4th nation in the world to achieve space docking with the indigenous system. What is the meaning of docking? Docking means till now every nation in the world was doing one thing, that utilizing one rocket launcher or utilizing one rocket for one satellite. One rocket, one satellite. ठीक है, this was the simple thing. Now what is docking? One rocket, two satellite. One rocket, two satellite, and any satellite can act as a leader and second one can act as a follower, anyone. So when more than one satellite will be launched with the support of same rocket, that type of facility is called docking facility. उसे कहा गया docking facility. Space docking experiment successfully completed by ISRO. It is called SPADEX, SPADEX. So SPADEX full form you need to remember. Point number one, what is the full form of SPADEX? Which organization have conducted it? Correct answer is going to be ISRO. India became which country in the world to achieve the docking in the indigenous systems space docking experiment? India became the fourth nation in the world. ठीक है, fourth nation बन गया India world में to achieve this technology. ISRO started this mission on 30th of December 2024 with SPARDEX space aircraft by using PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. So which launch vehicle was used to launch SPARDEX? So SPARDEX was launched by using PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, श्रीहरिकोटा आंध्र प्रदेश. तो श्रीहरिकोटा आंध्र प्रदेश से इसको क्या किया गया था? लॉन्च किया गया था. पॉइंट समझ में आ रहा है? SPARDEX spacecraft. Now this spacecraft involved two small satellites. इसमें दो small satellites हैं. नाम दिया गया है SDX-01 and SDX-02. Important details है, very very important details. SDX-01, SDX-02. तो ये आपके पास हो गया 01, ये हो गया 02. SDX-01, 02. Each weighing around 220 kilogram. So one of the satellite have weight of 220. So 220 kilogram was the weight. दोनों का weight था आपका 220. Clear हो रहा है point? These two satellites were launched in this docking system by using PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. What was the main goal? To develop and demonstrate the technology for the docking using two small spacecraft, show causing the controllability in the docking condition, that how two satellites can launch together, how these satellites can be utilized in a different aspect in the space by launching parallelly at the same time. It is going to be cost effective also in the future, that more than one satellite will be launched with the support of same rocket. एक रॉकेट से आप एक से ज्यादा सैटेलाइट लॉन्च कर पाओगे, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव होगा ना. सो ऑल दीज आर going to be the advantage of this docking system. India became the fourth nation in the world. Is this point clear? Yes, Torma, we will continue, don't worry, and give me time. On Wednesday we'll complete 11 to 20th of January also. On this Wednesday को मैं करवा दूंगा 11 to 20th of January. New launch pad for ISRO is coming at the as the Sriharikota Andhra Pradesh. So another news topic is same ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. For the new launch pad, Union Cabinet under the Prime Minister Narendra Modi have given the approval. Third launch pad of ISRO, Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. So it is going to be the third launch pad, costing around 3,985 crore rupee. Important to remember the budget allocation. A critical step in enhancing the India's space transportation capability for the next generation launch vehicle. So नया launch, see we have the launch vehicles, right? Remember PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, GSLV, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, SLV, Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, SSLV, Small Satellite Launch Vehicle. So ये हमारे सब satellites हैं. मैं बता देता हूँ नाम आपको. एक है PSLV है, SSLV है, Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, GSLV है, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. The next one which is going to come, that is called Next Generation Launch Vehicle. उसको नाम दे रहे हैं NGLV, Next Generation Launch Vehicle. So for creating the Next Generation Launch Vehicle, 3,985 crore rupees the budget allocation. India's ambitious mission that Indian crew will be landing over the moon by 2040, that may be achieved by the year 2040 with the support of this budget allocation and with the support of this new launch pad. Support will have the payout of 330,000 ton of low orbital satellite compared to the current 8,000 tons. So currently we have 8,000 ton capacity to launch the satellite. It will have 30,000 ton capacity. Capacity will be multiplied more than 2 times, 3 times, right? So this will be called NGLV. NGLV का full form याद रखना है आपको. New Generation Launch Vehicle will be the name, and New Generation Launch Vehicle will be the name. And the launch pad will be built. First launch pad was built 30 years ago, primarily PSLV, SSLV mission. तो 30 साल पहले हमने बनाया था PSLV, SSLV. After that GSLV came 20 years before, and now this is going to be the third launch pad. ठीक है. इसरो ने टारगेट रखा है नेविक मिशन 25 अनाउंसमेंट हुआ है व्योम मित्रा फॉर द गगनयान 2025 February. After that 2026 that crew of Gaganyaan mission, that Indian will be there in the space by the year 26. Then 35 Indian space station will be created. 40 that the first Indian astronaut will land over the moon. तो इंडिया ने टारगेट रखे हुए, PIB से पूरा डेटा लिया है. One more news from the ISRO category. So Indian Space Research Organization have achieved the milestone for the space agriculture by successfully germinating the black-eyed pea, a type of sprouts in the space technology, space conditions. Like if required to do the agriculture in the space for the long duration flights, spacecraft, and providing the nutrition to the astronauts. So on that ISRO is working at present. This mission is called CROPS. इस मिशन को नाम दिया गया है CROPS, Compact Research Module for Orbital Plant Studies. That how to create the environment for the purpose of cultivation, agriculture in the space by providing the plants a type of environment like they are there on the earth only. ऐसा environment वहां create कर देना that plants will feel and adopt like they are there on the earth only. So this is what the mission name is. Mission name is CROPS, and ISRO have successfully done the first such type of cultivation for the black-eyed pea sprouts. तो पहले sprouts इन्होंने अभी recently create किए हैं. CROPS 1 mission है, initial stage है. It will be updated with the time, and different technologies ISRO is using for this purpose. काफी technologies ISRO इसमें use कर रहा है for this purpose. Objective I think you have already seen. ठीक है, चलिए आगे मूव करें. So Maha Kumbh 2025 one plate one bag campaign have been launched. In a significant step, eco-friendly practice. See, the challenge regarding the disposable plate is they are made from the plastic. So it is increasing the use of the plastic around the world when we use the disposable plates, right? So for that purpose, one plate, one bag campaign have been launched in Kumbh Mela, that when you are going to Kumbh, carry one bag with you. So you can keep, bag means that is a cloth bag, not the poly bag, cloth bag you need to carry with one plate. So wherever you are taking food, take the food in your own plate, clean it, keep it there in your bag again. So this type of plate, this type of bag, this initiative have been launched Kumbh Mela by RSS Saha, Sarkari Vah, Krishna Gopal. So one organization have launched this. एक organization ने launch किया इसको. On the occasion of Makar Sankranti, the first Amrit Sthan of Maha Kumbh of 14th of January conducted, Yogi Adityanath extended the greeting of devotees, urging them to embrace the eco-friendly practices. So Yogi Adityanath have suggested to use the eco-friendly practices, so pollution will not increase because of the Kumbh Mela. तो वहां पर ये announcement हुआ. After that this initiative was started. Maha Kumbh 2025, the first Maha Mrityunjay Yantra have been installed in the Prayagraj. So world first Maha Mrityunjay Yantra featuring 52 feet in the length, width and height, installed at Tapovan Ashram in Jhansi Haveli. अरे वाह. Prayagraj known for the land of sacred land of Maha Kumbh. So the first Mahamrityunjay Yantra Mahamrityunjay is a very powerful mantra also. So Mahamrityunjay yantra have been installed. World first yantra have been installed in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. So this is another important point. कुछ और न्यूज है. I would recommend you to please get it from the PDF से एक बार आप लोग कवर कर लीजिएगा. I need to run. It's already 9, so I'll be meeting you back in the next session soon. Download it from the PDF. I'll cover it in the form of MCQs. Don't worry. Take care, guys. All the best. Jai Hind. If you are preparing, if you want to prepare well for your interviews, upcoming interviews, without hesitation, you can join my batches available on the Guidely platform. Preparing for upcoming SBI clerk and SBI PO examination along with UCO Bank. All three examination, one batch, GA Hustle batch. Go and join it.